Hi, I'm Jackie Lay and I work on a number of different creative platforms, education, creating sort of spaces for other people to work creatively, through different art forms. I'm not really sure what I do. Lots of different things. For Dyffryn Dyfodol, I wanted to do a community cohesion project in the village where I live. So Dolgarrog is quite an interesting village that had a big industry there, and that went. So what I wanted to do was sort of re-energise the villagers, I suppose, with something for them that wasn't just to do about industry or commerce. So we were going to do a village fete, and then that turned into a bigger festival. So the project actually ended up with the Griel Garrog. In order to get community together, I had to do a lot of talking with various people, meeting people in the village because I hadn't lived there that long, going into the school, into the Hilton Hotel, into the power station, do a Cymru. So sort of bringing all those different elements together was the tricky bit, really. So finding time and spaces and platforms in which to have those conversations took a long time, and it proved really interesting as well. So making all those different connections, and then following sort of the initial meetings, and we formed a group called Carry Dolgarrog, which is a not-for-profit, and it's set up by the people, for the people. I found working with Dyffryn Dyfodol, or the project completely, really supportive. Lots of meetings whereby we just asked questions of each other, of ourselves, the purpose of what we were doing, why we were doing it, how we were doing the process, and that gave us lots and lots of time for reflection and evaluation, I suppose, constantly evaluating what we were doing and changing direction if necessary or not, or sticking with the plan, and giving us the flexibility but also the support to do that. It was really nice to do a project where it was totally flexible. If the festival hadn't happened, it would not have mattered because something else would have taken its place, and that was the beauty of it, that it could have gone in any direction. Had a kind of rough plan to have a village fete to begin with, and then that developed into something bigger, but it could have also changed complete direction and become something else. Might have ended up with a book, who knows. But the most important thing was the people, and getting the people in the community together, working together and having those discussions about what it is they wanted, not just what they want for the future, but also reflecting on the past and how the village used to be and how life in the village used to be. So that was really interesting, to be able to have that freedom to say to people, well, what are we going to do? Let's see what happens. From doing this project, I've learnt for myself that anything's possible, and with a bit of an idea and a bit of support, I've got the confidence to go out and meet people and to create something quite big and that I hadn't done before, that was a bit scary. But yeah, I didn't feel at any point sort of worried or scared, that this wasn't going to happen because of all the people who were engaged. It felt like there was a massive support network with the community, with the other artists, I suppose, as well. It felt comfortable, and I think that's given me kind of the inspiration, I'm not sure that's the right word, but the commitment to take things further and to just see where things go.